Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and happy weekend. So we had a crazy week last week. So we had lots of money, and again end of the week we saw a huge downfall movement of some of the stocks. So we had some gains, some of us had lost money, but anyway, personally for me it was a huge win because when there was a massive run up, all the short squeeze stocks I talked about, I made a lot of money. And again, end of the week, like I was just loading my boat. So this video is mostly about some of the stocks which are at near the support, or if it falls more, then like how can we get the benefit. Again, like I'm not saying that like next week the stock market will go higher, it can still continue to drop. So that is why I'm making this video, to show you the support. So that it comes to near the support, I want you to load your boat, because we know that thing will be over. The market correction, if it is happening now or if it continues for another week, it will be gone, and then all the stocks you believe it has a higher potential, it will go higher, right? So that is why I'm just making the video, so that you can load the boat, and then when it goes up, we can all gain profit. One other thing, if you're holding option, and in that case I would say, if you have an option and if your expiry is very close, you can always roll out your position to a further strike expiry date, which means that you will not lose your entire premium. You will still have the chance, when the stock will go high, then your option premium will go high. Do not just leave as is, considering next week it will go up and you will gain your money. You can always roll out. Anyway, so let's start. The first one is, I want to talk about GNOG. So this is the one stock I never talked in my channel, but personally I have GNOG, GNOG, and I have been loading my boat, because anything below 20 is a good buying zone. So as the stock is dropping, I'm just adding. Yesterday I bought a lot of shares because it came around 18, even below 18, and I believe this stock will go high, because I will just zoom here. I think it will give a better view here. So the stock ran up $27, then it came down, but I think if you look like around this line, $18 ish, it has a very good support. But yesterday we broke the support, we came down, we could bounce back, but it looks like it bounced back from 13.4, around this line it bounced back. So keep that in mind. 18, 17.4, or even 16.5, these lines are good support, like especially 16.5. I think you should grab shares, like I think this is a very good support. Other than that, 17.5, even 18 is a good support. So load the boat. I have been loading shares because I know this thing will go high soon. The other one, SDG, I know, like I made a video on this and I showed you the blue line and the channel, how the stock is moving. I made a video here, and the next 3 days it has some green candles. This is a daily chart, and you see we went up to $16. So like from 11 to 16. Now last 2 trading days it's coming down. If next week is red, then it could even come down and it can touch the blue line, which is around $10-11. So look at these two support. One is around 11.2, the other one I would say around $13. If it comes down, you can have some position around 13, or if you want, you can wait till it comes to 11.2, or even if it touch the blue line, because I think it will go up again. If you see, like since July last year, how the stock is moving and following this one, and you can also see the 52-week high of $16. So it reached that mark, so it will go back again. So by that dip. TTCF, the other one, which is a short high interest at the same time, it has some other catalysts. So again, the stock high is $28 when I made the video. The very next day it went up to 27.8 something, then it's coming down, and for last 3 trading days it's coming down. So yesterday it came around 22.6, it bounced up. So in case it comes down, keep a note of 22.6, 22.1 and 20.9, or let's say $21. So if it comes below, load the boat. Again, the same concept, it should bounce back, it should go back to $26. You see how many times the stock on a daily chart hit that 26.5. so it will bounce back. If you're playing with option, roll your position. OEG, the other pick. So it's a very good stock, right? Because we were in the stock from 2.8, it went up to $10, even more than $10. So I got out of the stock and I was waiting for a pullback. Normally when a penny stock gains a momentum, sometimes they offer a public share offering, so the stock price comes down. So I was anticipating some kind of news, even though they did some stock offering previously. But again, I was waiting. But anyway, now the stock price is coming down. So this is a 1 hour chart. You can see the stock price is around 7.8, not bad. So it is holding the 7.8 mark, but if it might come down to 7.75, or I think it will never come back to 3.87. So on a daily chart, on a week hourly chart, right? So look at these numbers. I think if it comes to 7.2, load the boat. Even if it comes to 6.5, then again load higher and higher. So this is a good one in a long term. With a new government, like, this thing will go higher and higher. And we know it already went to 10.4 something, and currently we are at 7.8, so it will bounce back, do not worry. Messi, the other one, my favorite, when I started my position around $12, it doubled, it went up to $23, then it's coming down. So again, looking at the chart, I know like it will go back to 20 again, and currently it is coming down, right? So look at the support, 15.1516, around this area. So yesterday, the last 2 trading hour on hourly chart, we are sitting here. If it comes down, it can come around like $14. You can see the reversal from $14, then it went high, and that was the previous resistance. Now it could be the new support. So 15.16, which is the current value, so it can be a support. If it comes down around 14, load your boat. I think it will never come back to $10. So next week I will see. If I see the stock is bouncing back from this line, then I will add some share or option, or if it comes down, I will wait till it comes to $14. But anyway, this will go higher again, do not worry. The other ticker symbol is AYRO. So again, there's a channel. We loaded some share around this area. We went up, I sold my position, now it is coming down. I'm showing you this on a 4-hour candle chart. So the stock is coming down. If it comes around 6.4 area, you can have a position, or if it comes and touches the black line, which is around 6.2, you can load. I think it will not come back like around 5.4. So keep an eye on this one as well, because it also has a good number of short interest, so it can bounce back. But I think this is a EV stock. With the new government, this thing will eventually go up with $9 or $10. And the last one is ticker symbol IDEX. I started my position, I think around $4. I went up, down, but you can see that the stock price on a daily chart is holding, right? So I'm comfortable. I have an option expiring in March, I guess, so I have some time, and this stock is really doing good. I'm not worried. I'm just holding my position. I know it will go high, but anyway, if you see, there is a dip. So currently I think 3.87, that's a line, and I think the stock price is around 3.8. So if it comes down to 3.65, you can load, or if it comes down to $3, it's too low. But anyway, I think it will move sideways for next couple of days, then it will go higher, and eventually the high was 4.7, then back to back 2 days we hit around 4.6, 4.4. So I think this stock will go high again. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk about the other ticker symbol, which is FCEL, because I will make another video on this stock. Then I also want to make a video on MARA, Bitcoin play, and also another video during this weekend on ticker symbol MVIS. So stay tuned. I will make another 2 or 3 videos today or tomorrow, so on FCEL, MARA, and MVIS. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also keep an eye on the support line. Again, do not just buy with your whole position, because next week could be red, so the more it goes down, you will have a better price point. Load the boat, because we all know this thing will go over and we will bounce back, and when we bounce back, we can all get lots of profit. So anyway, Enjoy the day. It's a weekend. Do not stress yourself. Take care. Have fun. Peace.